Alright guys, we'll be here with great trades and the Apple stock analysis, episode 8. I just wanted to touch base. So you guys remember last night I went ahead and did one on Sunday evening where I said we were trapped in here, which last time we determined we bounced back and forth in here. We do have it dropped so hard in pre-market that we did enter into a strong downside, right? Strong momentum to the downside. So it's the same concept here where there could be easily continuation, but for us what we want to do is we're going to wait for the pullback, see if it gets stuck on the 50, and then the continuation to the downside. So that is what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking for some type of short-term recovery, rejection, and continuation. So do not be surprised if you find yourselves in more downside here. This is what we're looking at on the daily. You see it's falling into this gap here. You're looking at the 20 SMA and the 50 that are really close together. You have everything pointing down, which means consolidation. Because we were in this push to the top, consolidation means probably going to find that 50 as the bottom. And then from there, we have to see if when it bounces off the 50, will it break back through the 20, or does it get stuck, roll over, and keep falling down to that 225. So we definitely want to keep a close eye on this stock over the next couple of days. This is a short week. It is not going to be surprising to have it want to roll over in a short week where people just aren't in the game really right now. So keep an eye out for some shorts for the next couple of days here. It's not looking great for the longs, so we're definitely going to monitor this. 4-hour chart has just started to break through and past the 50. You see it broke 50 and held, and then rejected up here and fell through it. And then typically from this point, you could very easily see another stretch down, and you want to see it get caught in this 120 range. If it can't hold anything higher like the 123, like where it was 123.30, which right now we're kind of in a consolidation move where it is holding, but there's no way to know right now. It's in a very not sustainable state. Like it's in a very temperamental state of which way it wants to go. This is typically what you see when you see a reversal to the downside after it's been up for so long. So it's just not going to be that surprising if it continues to fall. But in order for us to know for sure, because of consolidation, it would have to consolidate sideways and then try and go back up. With what it's looking like right now, that move to the downside started to pull the ADX with it, but then it kind of recovered. So we'll see what happens from here. If we go to a smaller time frame, we'll just go to like a 15-minute so you can see. We had the strong downtrend. We had it pull back. You could see on the MACD, immediately reversed, and that's when you know that you're going in for a big move, right? That's what that momentum is all about. And then what we have from there is, are we going to consolidate and reverse? This is still very early on. Typically at a move like this, it doesn't have the steam. It gets rejected up in these levels and then rolls over again for another downside. So we definitely are watching for more downside moves. Anyways, I hope this helps. Keep a close watch on whatever you're trying to do with this stock, whether it's long-term investment. These things really sometimes don't matter to you, but if you're looking for better entry points, if you're going to hold it long, like maybe you want to add to your position, hopefully these analyses will help you in determining a better spot to buy in. And then if you're just kind of a scalper or a short-term trader, short-term momentum trader like I am, then these should really help you identify which direction you want to play. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe, hit like, share the videos, get it out there. The more people we get involved, the better the content is. The more people that help out, the more people that comment, every bit of information helps. It's about building a community, and that's what we're trying to do here. So go ahead and subscribe and like, and we'll keep an eye on this for the rest of the week.